लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, इंग्लिश बोलना सबको नहीं आता है, बट सबको अच्छी जॉब तो चाहिए, राइट? What if I told you that you can still crack your dream interview even if you do not speak fluent English? Yes, because confidence, clarity, and communication are not just about grammar. So stay till the end of the video because I'm going to share 6 practical tips that have helped my students land their jobs in top companies even without knowing fluent English. Hey everybody, I'm Karishma Ahuja, your interview coach. On this channel, I help students and working professionals like you to level up your English, communication, and interview skills. If this is something that you need, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's directly dive into the video 6 practical tips to crack your dream interview even when your English is not perfect. Tip number 1, don't fake an accent, be simple and clear. A lot of people feel that speaking in English means using Western words and using fancy words, but that is not the truth. Clarity is way important than fluency. Speak at your natural pace, use simpler words, focus on being understood and not impressive. For example, my collaborative synergy led to optimized outcomes. Instead, start using I worked on a team project in college. So simple and clear, overcomplicated each and every time. Tip number 2, practice interview questions well in advance. If you are not fluent, thinking English on the spot can be way tough. So, what do? Prepare. So, make a list of 10 common interview questions and prepare short answers. Practice it by reading out loud. You can also rehearse in front of the mirror or record yourself and see your confidence getting shoot up. And hey, there's no shame in practicing. Even actors do that before a scene. Tip number 3, use powerful body language. When words are tough, your body can still speak volumes. Smile, maintain eye contact, sit straight, nod when appropriate, use hand gestures confidently. These cues shows confidence even when your English is basic. Many hiring managers remember what the candidate made them feel instead of what they said during the interview. Tip number 4, use phrases to buy time. Stuck in answering? Don't panic. Use these ready made fillers to buy some time. For example, that's a good question. In my opinion, let me think about that for a second. So, these kind of fillers help you buy some time, breathe for a second, and think instead of just saying a lot. Tip number 5, practice your key strengths in English. Your grammar can be basic, but make sure your strengths are well prepared. So, make a list of 3 to 4 skills, experience, and achievements in English because this can come up in every interview. So, instead of focusing on everything, master these. For example, I'm good at managing deadlines on whatever the projects are assigned to me. I'm good at client handling and communication. Tip number 6, don't apologize for your English. Whenever you start any interview, don't start by saying, sorry, my English is not good. Because this will make the interviewer focus on your weakness and not on your potential. So focus on your enthusiasm, willingness to learn, and showcase your actual skills. Remember, English is a tool and not a talent, and tools can be sharpened. I've seen so many students getting rejected, not because of poor English, but because of poor confidence. So, if you follow these 6 tips, stay honest and stay confident that yes, you can crack the interview, whatever your English level is. So, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends those who are in need of this kind of video. Also, hit the subscribe button if you need more job tips. So, till that time, keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye.